2009 F150 and the anti-lock brake and park brake light came on and stayed on, and my anti-lock brake system wasn't working, so I changed the two rear wheel speed sensors and that didn't fix it. So now I'm looking into the anti-lock brake module, and I'll show you what I found. The module is located right above the oil filter. You have a connector that you have to remove, and then you have 4 bolts. They're kind of a star head. I was able to get them off with a 5/32 deep well socket. So I'm going to remove it and then I'll show you the inside. I fought with it earlier, and I was trying to separate this aluminum from the bottom piece, and then I realized that there was some adhesive on the top side of that aluminum. So what I ended up doing was I took a pick and I went around and scraped that glue all the way around, and I really dug into it with that pick and got all the glue out, and then I started prying on it, and it took some effort, but I was able to separate it. So once you get inside, this is what you'll find. Now don't judge my solder points. I didn't have much to work with. This is the part of the circuit that connects to the connector that goes to the electrical system. And I found several of these solder joints that were broken and resoldered them. And then these wires up here are very flimsy, so make sure once you finish soldering that you go through and separate each one of those wires so they're not shorted out. And now what I plan to do, I've already tested it on my truck and it turned the light out and the anti-lock brake started working again. Now what I plan to do is clean out this groove, clean off the adhesive from this plate, and then glue the thing back together, and I think it's going to work well. Soldering done, I'm just going to seal it back up with clear RTV and clamp it up until it dries. That way if I need to take it back apart later, I won't be so difficult. And I should note that when I hooked everything back up, the light didn't go out immediately. I had to drive it down the road first, and I drove about a mile and then the light went out.